Hi, I'm John, and this is the BuyBility Stretch Table Cover. The BuyBility cover is made of extremely heavyweight cloth, which is a very heavy-duty 210 GSM, and it's non-see-through. The premium cloth is made from 90% polyester and 10% spandex. That's what gives it that tight, four-way stretch fit. It's also stain resistant and wrinkle free, so it never needs ironing. You can use it straight out of the packaging, and it can be washed, so you can use it over and over again. It has 4 deep 8cm pockets on the corners of each cover, so you can loop the bottom of the cover inside the bottom of the table. That means your cover won't move or slide around. This cover is perfect for restaurants, hotels, casino events, buffets, contests, competition events, wedding functions, kiosks, yard sales, sale events, or anyone who wants to make their standard, dull, boring-looking table or tables look professional and amazing. You can also hide items underneath the table and it won't be seen. Stand out from the crowd without having to say a word with the BuyBility Stretch Table Cover.